I bet your ass thinks, how do I get a CPU from AliExpress without getting scammed? Well, I got you. Gonna show you how I chose it. And also you gotta watch out because I didn't do something during the delivery and that caused me to get my CPU 2 days later, and that was annoying as shit. Search the CPU you wanna buy. There are not all of them. Like for example, the 7700X is not on AliExpress. You sort them by price. We already have a pretty good buy. Mine did not come with the sticker, but the CPU arrived. It works, everything runs. Also, when you buy from AliExpress, they do not ship you the fan, so you gotta buy it apart. Alright, so the best sign, this little guy over here, it's got brand authorization and this is a genuine product. Also 2000 sold. You gotta search for like more than 1000 sold. I wouldn't trust anything below that. Also look for the reviews, maybe the 1-star ones. As you can see, there is nothing here. Yeah, and everything starts from the 4-star. There is no one complaining that they didn't receive what they asked for. Also, a thing I like about AliExpress is that you can return stuff, as you can see over here. This is what pushed me to buy from AliExpress. So recapping, the most important thing, 2000 sold, above 1000 is what I will trust, 250 reviews and not a single one of them complains. Watch out because they can actually change the description and actually give you like a worse CPU with the old reviews. I'm pretty sure you can check that with the Wayback Machine, but it's kinda rare. So when the CPU arrived here in Italy, it's been held by customs, and if something's wrong, they won't tell you about it. Like not on the Italian post, not on AliExpress app, nowhere, alright? So it's like a surprise. So you stare at the mailman while he says, you gotta pay 15 euros. And we didn't tell you about it, but I mean, screw you. So yeah, I was at school and my mom pulled out the credit card to pay for that, and they just didn't accept credit cards. They brought the package back and I had to wait 2 days just to pay for the package and get it back. That's nonsense. So yeah, make sure to keep apart like 30 euros, you never know.